Hello, it's Sophie Kemp here from Berthon International, a rather frosty morning here in Lymington. We are going to have a look on board SASTA. She's a Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 349 from 2023. Hope you enjoy. Here we are underneath SASTA. You can see her bow thruster there. She was anti-fouled at the beginning of this year, 2024. She's the 1.8 metre draft, and we've got twin rudders, and she is a shaft drive. Now magically up on the gantry. SASTA's been lightly used in this ownership on the south coast of the UK. She's ashore here on the gantry, as you can see, and we can step straight into the cockpit, which has got this great, very practical flexi teak. She's got clear side decks and a flexi teak tow rail. We'll head all the way up to the bow first. She's got a manual jib furler which runs back to the cockpit. We've got a delta anchor which is on an electric quick windlass with a remote control there, as you can see. Anchor's got chain and warp. So the jib's off at the moment, the main's still on. She's got a Dacron main and Dacron jib. And as you can see, that's in a stack pack on the boom there. All the canvas in this charcoal grey colour. It's a good view of the cockpit with her nice twin helms. On this port helm we've got Raymarine Axiom 7. But the main helm, where all the controls are, is the starboard helm. There's a great storage locker here, which is where I put the fenders. That is quite deep. And then next to it is a life raft locker, which is not secured down, so the life raft is easily accessed. We've got the P70 autopilot control there and an I70 multi with also the bow thruster control. And there is our engine control panel, and she has got just under 50 engine hours on the clock. We've got two hatches just there in the cockpit that go down into one into the cabin and one into the big storage locker, and they just looked up her rig. We've got a twin spreader Seldom aluminium rig. Lovely door washboards, which are great, so you're not having to store a big lump of perspex somewhere. And heading down below, as you can see, she's light, bright and airy. Head straight up forward to the four-peak cabin, which has these double doors into it. We've got a V-berth, seating to starboard, and then we have a wardrobe to port. For a 35-foot boat, she's got a great amount of storage. We've got storage either side in the saloon here, behind the seating. Both sides. And then you can see she's got a drop leaf table in the middle. Chart table on the port side. She's got these slate worktops on the chart table and the galley. Bottle storage there, which is very neat. So single sink, and then I think we have a quick look in the fridge. There we go, top loading fridge. oven with 2 burners. Into the aft cabin, which is a large double with a big wardrobe. There's the hatch further aft there that goes out into the cockpit for a bit of ventilation into this cabin. Open up into the engine compartment. So she's got a Yanmar 3YM20, which is a 21 horsepower engine. Into the very large heads, which is amazing. And it's got an absolutely huge separate shower, which you'll see in a minute as you come through the heads. Perspex folding door across the shower, and it's a proper standing shower. Nifty bar for hanging any wet clothes, which is a great addition. And then this is the monstrous storage locker, which again has got a hatch in from the cockpit. You can just see the light shining through there. But amazing storage area, and that's where the battery switches are as well. Fresh out the wrapper really, delivered in 2023. She really is in immaculate condition. I can't quite explain what fantastic shape SASTA is in. Please do come and have a look at her with us.